UTKARSH Asthana's Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. The origin and evolution of humans. Hi guys, this is Music Dollurix and you're watching an amazing and wondertaining journey of the origin and evolution of humans and homos. Hope you guys like this yet another wondertaining UAX-Selective documentary on the birth, rise, evolution, development, downfall and extinction of the human race and what lies in the future for us. Let's see this all with me, Dollurix, on this wondertaining Homo journey. The humans or Homos appeared on Earth 0.3 million years ago when mitochondrial Eve and Adam mated, and then they reproduced, and that is how the humans came into existence. They reproduced, multiplied their population, and that is how human population increased on Earth. And all this started just 0.3 billion years ago. And hence, Y chromosomal Adam and mitochondrial Eve are our very first ancestors and our very first parents, because of whom only we today are here present on Earth and are ruling it. When 0.3 million years ago humans or Homos came in existence, they were not alone. Some other species also which were very similar to Homos, like the hominids and the hominids, were also coexisting at the same time simultaneously with Homos. And not only just them, but even in the Homos category there were not only the sapiens who were living there. In fact, in that time, with sapiens, Netherlanders, Rudolfinensis, Babylus and Erectus were also living at the same time, coexisting all together simultaneously at the same time. And that is why only it is said that mitochondrial Eve was a Netherlander. On the other hand, Y chromosomal Adam was a sapien, and hence these were two different species of Homos which had mated together to form a hybrid sapien Netherlanders Homo species, which is us, the modern day human. That's why only we are a mixed match of both Netherlanders and sapiens, and that is why only 98% of our DNA, which is the dominant portion, it is of sapiens, and 2% of our DNA, which is of the recessive portion, it is of Netherlanders. And hence we still today are a mix of sapiens and Netherlanders, where sapiens traits are at majority, and that's only we are more like a sapien with all the sapien features, looks and body physique, but 2% of Netherlanders DNA is also still hiding today inside us. And that's why Netherlanders have not gone extinct till today also, because somewhere inside us they still are here. So now I will explain to you guys the literal meaning of Homo sapiens. So Homo means man in Latin and sapien means wise. Hence Homo sapien means wise man, which is us, the modern day human. And the literal meaning of Homo Neanderthal is the man from the Neander Valley in Germany, and that is the meaning of Homo Neanderthal in Latin. And so now I have decoded the real meanings of Homo sapien and Homo Neanderthal, and these were our two amazing ancestors whose hybrid outcome are we. We are partially sapien and partially Neanderthal, and we are the modern day humans. So when we talk about the hominids, hominins and homos, we can imagine three circles. The largest circle is of the hominids, then the medium circle is of the hominins, and the smallest circle is of the homos. So now here let's talk about the largest circle, which is formed by the hominids. So hominids are those ancestors, a large group of those ancestors who were very similar to us, the homos. All the hominids have two legs on which they can walk. They do not have a tail. They are all mammals, and they don't reproduce by eggs, but they reproduce by giving birth to their babies directly. And also all the hominids are very clever and can use their brain to understand many things, and we homos are 96% equal to the hominids, which is a big number if you see and really ask me. And after the hominids comes the medium circle, which is formed by the hominins. Now, hominins is a smaller circle in comparison to that of the hominids, and these are those ancestors which are very close to us, the homos, and they resemble us a lot. They not only have just two legs on which they can walk, they also don't have a tail. They also reproduce like the mammals by giving birth to their babies directly, and we homos are 98% equal to the hominins. And after that comes the smallest circle, which is formed by the homos themselves. Here in homos also we have many categories: the Netherlanders, Erectors, Babylers, and Sapiens. The order comes like Babylus first, and after the Babylus we have the Erectors. After Erectors we have the Neanderlanders or Netherlanders, and after that we have the Sapiens, the real rulers of Earth. Meaning we, modern humans, are the successors of Sapiens with some 2% recessive traits of Netherlanders. Hence we are a Sapien dominated Netherlander recessive trait species, a hybrid species of the Sapiens and Netherlanders, known as the Sapien Netherlanders mod in the human species. And that is how we can understand this. And that is the full chart of the three circles and the three varieties of the Homo, hominin, and hominids, all HOMs. Seen on a large scale, the homos, hominins, and hominids together form the primates, which are the real ancestors of the mammals who later on developed into humans. So now I will explain to you guys the 7 stages of human evolution, starting from DRYOPITHECUS and ending at Homo sapiens, the modern day human, which is us. In an order, the 7 stages of human evolution are DRYOPITHECUS, Australopithecus, Ramapithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalis, and last but not the least, Homo sapiens. So the first stage of human evolution is DRYOPITHECUS. They were a extinct genus of great apes from middle-late Miocene boundary of Europe, and they lived during a period spanning from 12.5 to 11.1 million years ago. They are the oldest known human-like primates ever, and hence they are the first stage of the human evolution and the beginning of the Humanozoic era. The second stage of human evolution is Ramapithecus. They are a group of extinct bipedal primates who lived during the Miocene epoch in a period spanning from 14.8 million years to 9 million years ago, MYA. Studies reveal that they were partial bipedals, meaning they could walk on two legs, but they did not always use their two legs. Instead, they used to use their four legs, and they preferred walking on fours more than walking on twos. And that's why they were partial bipedals with a hunched back. Just like their ancestors, the DRYOPITHECUS primates. The third stage of human evolution is Australopithecus. They are an extinct genus of bipedal primates who lived during a period spanning from 4.8 to 2 million years ago. They lived in Central America, and they were full bipedals, which means they would always walk on their two legs and never ever prefer to walk on four legs like their ancestors Ramapithecus. At the third stage of human evolution, Australopithecus looked very much like humans, only their future successors. Australopithecus can be divided into two types: Australopithecus afarensis and Australopithecus africanus. Lucy is a very good example of Australopithecus africanus. She is a 3 million year old Australopithecus from South Africa, now in museums for us to see the history of our primate ancestors. And Australopithecus, the third stage of human evolution, from Africa, the land of mammoths. The fourth stage of human evolution is Homo habilis. They are a group of extinct archaic humans living during a period spanning from 2.8 to 1.65 million years ago. They lived during the transitionary age of Miocene and Eocene epoch, the Miocene-Eocene trans-epoch. And the other name of this trans-Miocene-Eocene epoch is early Pleistocene epoch. Studies suggest that the Homo habilis used to communicate with each other in a broken kind of language, which was not a fully developed language but a semi or partial language only. And the communication between each other was not very strong in the Homo habilis community, and hence they could not understand each other in a very mature manner as such. The literal meaning of the word Homo habilis is able man in Latin, where Homo stands for man and habilis stands for able, hence able man. The fifth stage of human evolution is Homo erectus, or the upright man. They were a set of extinct archaic humans which lived during a period spanning from 2 million years ago to 1.5 million years ago, and they lived during the Middle Pleistocene epoch on the boundary of Middle Late Eocene in Central Europe. They are amongst the very first recognizable members of the Homo genus, of which we all humans are a part. Their approximate height is being suggested to be between 1.5 to 1.8 meters, and they died due to extreme climate changes which they couldn't survive. The sixth stage of human evolution is Homo neanderthal. They are an extinct group of archaic humans who lived nearly 40,000 years ago during the late Pleistocene epoch. Their first fossil was found in 1856 and was named Neanderthal 1. It's still a legendary and historic specimen of the Neanderthal species of Homos. And as Neanderthal 1 was found in Neander Valley of Germany, hence this whole species of Homos or humans was named as Homo neanderthals or Homo neanderthalensis, which means the man from the Neander Valley of Germany. The last and the seventh stage of human evolution is Homo sapiens, the modern day human, which is me and you, the audience. We are the last surviving species of Homo genus, and we are the rulers of the earth, and we only are the modern day humans. We are a perfect example of bipedalism because now we have fully forgotten to walk on 4 legs like our ancestors used to, and we can only walk on 2 legs. We also don't have a tail, and we are the complete humans, the fittest humans which managed to survive the whole history. And now finally we are here after surviving every challenge and facing and passing every challenge. Now we here stand as the modern day human. We are the Homo sapiens, and the literal meaning of our biological name Homo sapiens in Latin is wise man or the clever man, which indeed in reality we are. That's only we rule the earth. In today's world, all the species of Homos have gone extinct, and only we sapiens have survived this war against the nature, and we have passed all the tests given to us by the nature, and hence here we stand in front of all, and we rule the earth. And the future species of humans will be Homo duus. They are a predicted group of Homos which will appear in the near future, and they will be cybernetically enhanced human beings, or for short cyborgs, which will be super smart, and that's why only their name also suggests the same, because the literal meaning of the word Homo duus in Latin is the godly man or the man from the future, which I've already told you guys earlier too. If you want to know more about Homo sapiens and Homo duus, then do please read Yuval Noah Harari's award-winning books Sapiens and Homo duus for the same. They are really amazing, really knowledgeable, and really intuitive, and you will for sure enjoy them. I can guarantee you that for sure. In the future, after the appearance of Homo duus, 2 new species will also appear, known as Homo technologicus and Homo cyberneticus. They will be its successors, and these 3 species, Homo duus, Homo technologicus, and Homo cyberneticus, will together form the future trilogical species of humans or homos. They will be our successors because they will be the successors of sapiens, the modern day humans. The literal meaning of Homo technologicus is the man related to technology, and the literal meaning of Homo cyberneticus is the man related to cybernetics or the cybernetic human. If you want to know more about Homo cyberneticus or the cybernetic human, then please do see the Tech Talks episode, which is fully dedicated to Homo cybernetics or Homo cyberneticus and the cybernetic human. You can check it out from the Tech Talks playlist on my channel Hub the Wondertainment Zone, or from the link which I will put in the description box down below. Do see it if you want to know more about human cybernetics, Homo cyberneticus, and the cybernetic human. And that is how this Homo journey will go on, and we humans will just keep on evolving and becoming more and more advanced as each day passes. We will get more and more technologically advanced. The future is decided by the doings of present, and hence if we do things right in a manner in which they are meant, if we go hand in hand with nature and we go in the nature's flow, then all things will go right, and this will help us to sustain in the future and will be beneficial for our successors, technological cyberneticals and doers. But if we don't go hand in hand with nature, we go against it, we don't go in its flow, then that will bring us to our doom. And then that could lead to our eventual extinction, which is not at all good and which is just very horrible to even think, just like a nightmare. But it will only happen if we do things in a wrong manner. If we do things in a right manner, like they are meant to be, then that won't ever happen again, and we humans would fully sustain. So now it's in our hands only how we have to lead our journey. Do we have to sustain in the future or we don't have to? That we only can decide in the present, because our present's doing will only decide our very future. So let's do things right and hence make our species sustain in the future. So that's it. Hope you guys liked this yet another Wondertaining UAX-Selective documentary with me, UTKARSH M, exclusively at Hub the Wondertainment Zone. If really, then do please click on like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned on Hub the Wondertainment Zone for more amazing Wondertaining Hub videos just like this one. Also follow us on our Instagram handle UTKARSH ASTHANA'S HUB.co_Insta for amazing, Wondertaining, and truly intuitive technical insights and Wondertaining sneak peeks of our upcoming hub videos on our YouTube channel UTKARSH Asthana's Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. So this is it. Hope you guys like this. This is me, UTKARSH M, signing off. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and adios. Yo, thanks for watching. Follow us on our Instagram handle UTKARSH ASTHANA'S HUB.co_Insta for amazing, Wondertaining, and intuitive technical insights and sneak peeks of our upcoming hub videos on our YouTube channel UTKARSH Asthana's Hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Download the Software Hub app today.